Hey, how's it going, everybody? Today, kind of a different video. I'm going to trade this generator for a classic. It's a 1979 RM 125 dirt bike. So let's go ahead and get this loaded up and see how this trade goes. All right, let's hit the road. It's about a 20-25 minute drive. Just got on the highway, got about 17 miles to go, but it is a beautiful Saturday morning here in Central Oregon. Video really doesn't give it justice of how pretty it is out here. Coming down into this little valley. I don't know if you can see the mountains in the distance. All right, just rolling up to this guy's place. See what the vibe is, see if I can film or not. I'll keep you guys posted.
Flat racks and everything.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
It's a 100 motor.
Yeah.
125 frame. Then there's a box, so I bought more heads for it.
Oh, okay.
And then,
Where did it come from? Was it in Central Oregon or?
yeah, it was
it's
Post.
Oh, wow. Plastic tank, cool. All right. And
Looks
where's
like
the?
they got a bunch of money in the swing arm on that thing.
Yeah. No, I've been wanting to build.
The swing arm, he just bought it. He said like a month before he traded it with me.
Yeah.
He said he bought it for $600. That swing arm.
Where you have other parts? You said, oh, that. Oh, perfect.
Whole box is cool.
Cool. All right. Yeah.
The clutch cable, brand new carb,
Head gaskets. Cool.
gaskets, everything.
All right, deal, man. We'll just load it up and I'll pull that out and sweet. All right, so did the trade. Really nice guys. Let me film a little bit. So there it is in the back of the truck. We'll go ahead and bring it home, unload it, and see what we got. All right, so I got it back home. This is it, 1979 Suzuki RM 125. Been a long time since I've had a classic two-stroke motocross bike. I think the oldest one I've ever had is 84 CR250 when I was younger. This bike looks like it's in pretty decent shape. It's obviously going to need some work. I knew that when I got it. I just thought it'd be a fun project. So also came with some other parts there in the back seat. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing unloaded and then we'll take a closer look at it. Let's take a look at this outside in the light. So this is like I said before, 1979 RM 125. I don't know how long it's been sitting. The guy I got it from got it in a trade deal, so I went ahead and threw this bungee cord on here. I didn't want the seat to fly off on the highway. So it's still got its silencer, missing the head pipe. Tank still looks pretty good. It's got some cracking on it. I don't know if that'll leak or not. Let's look inside. Yeah, it just needs washed out. But overall, I think it was a pretty decent trade. It's really not in that bad a shape. Frame rails, there's only one little dent in that side. Check the other side, are clean. Sorry, my camera just shut off for some reason. And this side's clean too. Supposedly this motor is a RM 100 motor. Sorry about the wind. Yeah, RM 100. That's cool that Suzuki did that back in the day. So, gotta find another shock for the other side. Don't have the front brake cable. Let's see if these rear brakes work. No, I don't think there's any pads in there, which isn't a problem. So, should be a fun project. Would be fun to build a vintage racer. Let's take a look at the parts it came with. So, looks like we have a whole nother cylinder and head with reed valves. New carburetor. New throttle cable. Some, I don't want to show their address, some gaskets. Cool throttles there. Here's a piston. It's kind of roached out. Let's see, here's a brand new piston for it. Cool. Should be a really fun project. So I've been wanting to build a classic vintage MX bike, and this one I think will be perfect. Tires are old, rear one's basically done, but it's usable for a little bit. That's a pretty big tire on this little 125, so gonna have to find a head pipe and then the midsection. So I'm gonna get on eBay and see what parts I can find and go from there. If you enjoyed this type of video, please let me know. It's fun trading stuff, you know. I do have an upcoming video on these two snow machines on that trailer. I need to pull those in the barn. Supposedly they both run. So leave a like and a comment down below. Please consider subscribing. I appreciate it. Thanks.